Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you are well and have a wonderful day. It's Thursday, October 14th, 2021. It's around 3 pm and the temperature is 31 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. This is a shopping mall in Yangon named GMP Mall. It is located beside Insen Road. Let's walk across the mall and enjoy the atmosphere. GMP Mall is a busy multi-level mall complex with a variety of retail chains plus casual eateries and a cinema. The mall opens daily from 9 am and closes at 6 pm. Full abbreviation of GMP is Ga Pint. This is the security check and entrance of the mall. This is the ground floor of the mall. You can find various types of retail stores in this floor. You can find clothing, shoes, sandals, leather products, jewelry, cosmetics, electrical and electronic items here. Let's go to the first floor of the mall. You can find jewelry shops in this floor. This is a Japanese mini mart. You can also find lots of clothing stores in this floor. Let's go to the second floor of the mall and enjoy the atmosphere. On the right side, it's an amusement zone named Alibaba Amusement. People come here with friends and families in a group for shopping and enjoying the atmosphere. GMP is one of the leading Burmese conglomerate. The company runs major shopping centers in Yangon. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.